Hello everyone, my name is Toshihiro. I'm a Japanese. I'm studying Uzbek language by using online lesson. I want to share my lesson in this video. Today, let's learn how to say farewell in Uzbek language. So let's get started.
Okay, now next page, it's higher.
Higher.
It's goodbye. And we have a way, Kurshkuncha higher.
Ko'rishguncha xayr.
So it's see you. Kurshkuncha higher. Next is safaringiz bexatar bo'lsin.
Safaringiz bexatar bo'lsin.
Beautiful. So have a safe trip, right? Safaringiz bexatar bo'lsin. Wonderful. Khatar is danger, that's right. Yeah. Bexatar is safe, right? No danger. Right. Okyol.
Okay. Oq yo'l.
Okyol. So, yeah, it's mostly said when you are saying goodbye to somebody who is going on a trip, maybe, right? Okyol. Next is yaxshi boring.
Yaxshi boring.
Yaxshi boring, exactly. So, yaxshi boring, yaxshi yetib oling kind of thing. So, oila a'zolaringizga salom ayting.
Oila a'zolaringizga salom ayting.
Yeah, it's like say hello to your mother kind of thing. Oila a'zolaringizga salom ayting. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. So oila a'zolari, it's family members, right? Yeah. Tell your family members I said hello kind of thing. Okay. Next is yana keling.
Yana keling.
Yana keling. So come, like come again. Yes. Next is hafta oxirgi kunlari hafta oxirgi kunlarini yaxshi o'tkazing.
Hafta oxirgi kunlarini yaxshi o'tkazing.
Have a great weekend kind of thing. Okay, hafta kunlarini yaxshi o'tkazing. Xayrli tun.
Xayrli tun.
Good night. That's good night. All right. Now it's when you are saying goodbye to somebody. All phrases, all of these expressions can be used when you're saying goodbye to somebody.